Remember what we're here for.
Understood.
High-efficiency brushless motors with independently powered Caterpillar treads. I have tracked as wave path navigation. Just send you the ping.
What about the owners?
They must be on vacation. Haven't been seen cleaning their pool in weeks. Good luck, diver. Спокойной ночи.
We got it.
I'm so proud of you, baby. We're gonna have the cleanest pool on the block.
I cannot believe we're getting away with this.
What's happening?
Hey, Mike. Sorry. Pool looks fantastic.
Honey? Yeah? Greg's in the backyard again. I know times are tough, but geez.